get these little guys, little clippers, will get through this branch. I'm not sure they will.
I got it.
That's like cross-handed. Got this perfect handle on it.
You want me to get up on the other side and cut it for you?
If you're game for that.
Well, I gotta get to work, so. Just maybe you want to take your hand off.
Go back up a little bit.
Yeah, I gotta hold it. I don't want them to fall.
Are you sure you're gonna get that weight?
Yeah. Yep. Nice and easy.
You sure you got that?
Yeah, I got it.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yo.
That's what you want.
Don't ask me to hold it.
Thank you for the help.
You're welcome.
You see it?
Yeah.
You want to get a closer look?
Sure. The camera makes them look so much like brighter than they are.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a photo.
No, what about the video? Now wait, video so you can see.
I'll go back. I'll put the branch back.
Can I touch?
You can you can touch it if you want.
I'm gonna touch it.
Just put one finger like on the outside. It's really warm because there's so much energy in there.
So be slow about it.
Ah.
Brave, huh?
Yeah. I touched it.
Okay, come on, let's go. We have to get to work. Let's go.
I jumped off that. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
So scary. I touched it.
Wait, did you seriously?
You wanna touch it? You wanna touch it?
No.
I
Come on,
touched
you wanna
it.
touch it?
I touched it.
Dad, you're such a wimp.
Yes, correct.
I don't want to touch it. I want it. Dad, can I touch it again?
Yeah, let me put him down first.
Wait, where's the sugar water?
We don't need it tonight.
Yes, we do.
Wow.
I don't touch it. Why are they moving so much? I thought they were supposed to sit this way. Why are they moving around? Hello, Mr. Baby.
Let's see if they start to crawl in. I'll let them go. If not, I'll just shake them.
Looks like they're starting to go
Yeah, they're-
down.
Yeah.
What
Who
makes
wants
them
me
want to
to
go
jump?
in?
They have like just a sense that, well, first of all, they smell the old honeycomb,
Oh, okay.
so that attracts them. But then,
Yeah, they're
come-
going in. Look at them all.
Yeah,
You want to watch
Usually-
it?
Come over here.
down at the bottom, they're crawling in.
Come over here and look at them dropping down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they'll just
And then
go.
they're all going in their little holes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ah.
So how many bees is this?
I would say it's about 10,000. It's about 3,000 to a pound of bees.
Oh, nice.
So that was probably 2.5, 3 pounds.
So you do this a lot.
Yeah, it's a hobby though. It's a side,
You know, I have a job. You know.
sideline thing.
Come on, Cara, don't be a chicken. Come take a look.
Mom, I touched it. Are you
Yeah,
proud
you
of
can stop. That's good.
We're